Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making that lovely shrimp taco. First, we're going to need 1 cup mayo, 3 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, pepper to taste with your sriracha, flour, tortillas, parsley, purple cabbage, lemon, a medium-sized tomato, feta cheese, corn, finely chopped onions, and shrimp. Now let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is make our bang bang sauce for our shrimp, and then we're gonna get into the preparations of the dressings for a taco. Here you're gonna add mayo, sweet chili sauce, and sriracha, or any other hot sauce you have on hand. Pepper to taste for this level of spice that you like. And of course, you're gonna combine well and then store in the refrigerator until you need it. Now we're gonna start prepping our toppings for our taco. We're gonna begin with the purple cabbage by coarsely chopping them. We have coarsely chopped our parsley, and now we're gonna dice our tomatoes. We're gonna make lemon wedges and move right into detailing our shrimp. Now these are the seasons I use to season my buttermilk. You can season with whatever seasoning you have on hand and that you like. Combine the seasoning well into the buttermilk and pour this marinade over your shrimp, covering and coating them. For this next step, we're gonna need a half cup of cornstarch to coat our shrimp for frying. When you have coated all your shrimp, we're going to move on to frying. Please make sure that you have your oil very hot before you start frying and you allow the oil to reheat in between batches. Now you're going to need a tongue or fork to add your shrimp to the oil to avoid burning yourself, and then you're going to need a skimmer to keep the shrimps from sticking together. Do remember your oil is hot and shrimp does cook very fast, so you need to move very fast with this step. When all your shrimp has been fried, now you're going to need the sauce that we made earlier and had put in the fridge. You're going to pour it all over your shrimp. You can save some for dressing at the end, but I poured all of it. Now you're going to coat your shrimp in the sauce. I was gonna do that fancy toss, but it wasn't gonna work out, sis. So I draw for my spoon, okay? I pulled out my spoon and I coated my shrimp. Now the very last step is the assembly. Now you're gonna see all the deliciousness come together, okay? Now as you see, I don't have that fancy taco stand, so a girl did what she had to do, and it still came out perfect. So we have come to the end to another lovely video. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Please do share this link with a friend. Share the recipe. Let them learn to cook too. Make them make some nice tacos too. Let's grow our family here, and thank you guys for your continued support.